Namaste friends, welcome to Dhoni Classes Jayavati. Today we will be continuing with the chapter Statistics. In this video you will be learning about Ogive curves. The meaning of Ogive is S shaped. The shape of S, curvy shape. Ogive means curve. These graphs will be drawn with respect to the cumulative frequencies and the upper limit or lower limit of the class. There are two types of Ogive curves. Number one, less than type of Ogive curves. Number two, more than type of Ogive curves. In less than type, we must use upper limit of the class. We must use upper limit of the class. And in more than type, we must use lower limit of the class. Lower limit of the class. Lower limit of the class. Since upper limit is 120, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. 180 to 200. This is the question. What is the question here? Daily income, number of workers. 100 to 120 income, 12 workers. Then Ogive curves will always show how many persons or how many particulars, how many values are below the particular given thing or above the particular given thing. For example, if you want to draw less than Ogive curve for this question, first of all, you need to take x-axis and y-axis. For less than Ogive curve, it is less than Ogive curve. Less than Ogive. For less than Ogive, you need to take x along x-axis, the upper limits. Since it is less than Ogive, you need to take upper limit. Upper limit is 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. Okay? 200. Now, before drawing graph, you need to find out or you need to draw what? Cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies of the less than Ogive type. Less than Ogive type. Less than Ogive. Okay. Make a column less than Ogive and cumulative frequency. Less than Ogive. Less than 120 upper limit. First of all, in first column less than 120. Less than 120. Less than 140. Next upper limit is 140. Less than 140. Less than 160. Less than 180. Less than 200. Less than 200. Okay. Now cumulative frequencies. Cumulative frequencies less than 120. Look the question. Look at the question. Less than 120, there are 12 number of workers. The number of workers which are having less than 120 rupee income. Less than 120 rupee income is 12 members. 12 members are having less than 120 incomes. Next, less than 140 income. Less than 140 means you need to add these two. Less than 140 means 120 to 140 and also 100 to 120. You need to add these two things. Okay. Less than 140 rupees, 14 plus 12, 26. 26. Next, less than 160. Less than 160, you need to add all these things. 26 plus 8, 34. 34. Next, less than 180. Less than 180 means you need to add all these things. That is 34 plus 6, 40. 40 plus 10, that is 50. This is a cumulative frequency. With the help of this table, we will be drawing the graph here. First of all, less than 120. This is the CF. Y-axis is always CF. 50 is the topmost value of CF. Therefore, I will be making 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then for 120, CF is 12. 120 for CF is 12. Next 140, 26. 140 is 26. Next 160, 160, 34, 34. Next 180, 40, 180 there is 40. Next 200 there is 50. You need to join with free hands. Join with free hands. Next, write the points here. 120, 120, 12. Okay. Write all the points. Next, write this one as less than type. Less than type Ogive. Less than type Ogive. Less than type Ogive. Next we need to write the scale here. What is the scale here? Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units along x-axis. Along x-axis. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units along the y-axis. Now, for this question only, I will be drawing more than type Ogive. More than type Ogive. More than type Ogive. Okay. For more than type Ogive, same box. More than type. More than type. This is the cumulative frequency. For more than type, what we need to take? Lower limit. We need to take lower limit. What is the lower limit here? 100. 100 is the lower limit. More than 100. More than 100. First of all, you need to write more than 100. More than 120. More than 140. More than 160. More than 180. More than 180. This is the final lower limit. Final lower limit is 180 only. Therefore, first of all, more than 100. The workers, number of workers who are all taking more than 100 rupee as their daily income. How many number of workers are there who are taking more than 100 rupee as the daily income? We need to add all these things. All these. Okay, above 100, above 100, above 100, above 100, above 100. Adding all these things, we will get 50. Okay, more than 100 is 50. More than 120 rupee. You need to negate this one. You need to take all these things. Negate means 12. 50 minus 12, that is 38. 38. Next, more than 140. You need to negate this one. Then 14. Okay. 38 minus 14, that is 24. 24. More than 160. You need to negate this one. 8. 8 means 24 minus 8 is 16. Next. More than 160. You need to negate this one. That is 16 minus 60. 6 is 10. 16 minus 6 is 10. Therefore, this is the required frequency or cumulative frequency table. Frequency distribution table. With the help of this table, we will be drawing more than type. For that, first of all, we need to take 100, 120, 140. Okay. Let us take this one as 100. 100. This one as 100. Okay. 100, 120, 140, 160, 180. Okay. 180 only. Now, for 100, what is the CF here? 50. 50 is the CF. For 120, 38 is the CF. 38. 38 is the CF. Next for 148, for 24 is the CF. 24. Okay. 24 is the CF. Next, for 180, 16 is the CF. For 160, 16 is, for 180, 10. 10 is the CF. For 160, 16 is the CF. Next, join all these things with the help of your free hand. Okay. And name the coordinates here. Name the coordinates and name the graph. More than type Ogive. More than type Ogive. Next, same scale will be used for this also. Okay. These are the more than type and less than type Ogive curves. Okay. Next, these two questions will be homework for your production. Kg per hectare, number of farms, that is marks and students. Okay. I want these homeworks will be done in your graph sheets and will be sent to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.